Welcome to History Reborn. Today we discuss historic facts about the origin and development of modern alphabets. Stay tuned. Writing began with pictures. The earliest writing systems appeared over 5,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt. Early writing used symbols and pictures to represent objects, ideas, and sounds. Egyptian hieroglyphs are among the most famous examples of picture-based writing. The first alphabet emerged around 1800 BCE. Historians believe the first true alphabet was developed by Semitic-speaking workers in the Sinai Peninsula. This writing system simplified complex hieroglyphs into symbols representing individual sounds. It contained about 30 symbols and became the ancestor of many later alphabets. The Phoenicians revolutionized writing. The Phoenician civilization created an alphabet around 1050 BCE. Their alphabet had 22 letters and represented only consonant sounds. Because Phoenician merchants traveled widely across the Mediterranean, their alphabet spread rapidly. The Greeks added vowels. Around 800 BCE, the ancient Greeks adapted the Phoenician alphabet. They introduced letters for vowel sounds, making reading and writing much easier. This innovation became one of the most important developments in the history of written language. The Roman alphabet became global. The Romans adapted the Greek alphabet through the Etruscans. This evolved into the Latin alphabet, which is used today for English, French, Spanish, German, and many other languages. The original Roman alphabet had 23 letters. Modern English uses 26. The letters we use have ancient origins. The letter A originated from a Phoenician symbol called Aleph, meaning ox. The letter B came from Beth, meaning house. Over centuries, these symbols were rotated, simplified, and standardized into the letters we recognize today. Different alphabets developed from common ancestors. The Cyrillic alphabet used in Russian and several other languages was developed in the 9th century. The Arabic alphabet evolved from earlier Semitic scripts. The Hebrew alphabet also traces its roots to ancient Semitic writing systems. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg around 1450 helped standardize letter shape. Books could be reproduced consistently, leading to more uniform spelling, and modern technology changed writing again. Typewriters, computers, and smartphones have further standardized alphabets. Digital encoding systems allow thousands of writing systems to be used. They are on modern devices worldwide. Today, the Latin alphabet is used by billions of people across every continent. It has become the dominant writing system in science, technology, business, and international communication. Interesting fact: if a modern English speaker traveled back 3,000 years, they would not recognize the earliest forms of the letters A, B, C, and D. Yet those letters are direct descendants of symbols created by ancient peoples thousands of years ago. The modern alphabet is the result of over 3,500 years of evolution, making it one of humanity's most enduring inventions. Ancient alphabets were often written as one continuous stream of letters. Readers had to determine where words began and ended. Spaces between words became common much later, during the Middle Ages. Early alphabets could be written from right to left, left to right, or in a style called boustrophodon. In boustrophodon writing, each line alternated directions, similar to how a farmer plows a field. Ancient Romans wrote only in capital letters. Lowercase letters gradually developed between the 3rd and 9th centuries CE. Medieval scribes created smaller, faster letter forms for everyday writing. Numerous writing systems vanished when civilizations collapsed. Scripts such as Linear A remain undeciphered today. Scholars continue trying to unlock their meanings. During the Middle Ages, monks copied books by hand. They preserved ancient Greek and Roman texts that might otherwise have been lost. Many modern alphabets survive because of these painstaking efforts. Earlier writing systems required learning hundreds or thousands of symbols. Alphabets the number of dramatically. This made reading and writing easier for merchants, officials, and ordinary people. Empires, traders, missionaries, and explorers carried alphabets across continents. As cultures interacted, writing systems adapted and evolved. There are more than 7,000 languages spoken in the world today. The English alphabet contains 26 letters, yet English has more than 40 distinct speech sounds. The shape of many modern letters can be traced back through Greek and Phoenician forms to symbols carved over 3,000 years ago. The development of the alphabet transformed human civilization. It enabled the recording of laws, helping preserve knowledge across generations and making modern education possible. Hope you learned a lot from today's episode. Subscribe, follow, like, and share for more historic contents. Bye!